This is the tilt, boys. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's head to the Joe now for the Catholic League Division I Hockey Championship. Detroit Catholic Central and Orchard Lake St. Mary's. Catholic Central, #1 in the state in D1, searching for the trifecta over OLSM this season. We picked things up in a scoreless game in the second period. Shamrocks with numbers. Wayne Orlowski shot denied. Dominic Mancinelli's rebound stoned by Eaglet netminder Andrew Cormos. Ranked 4th in the state, St. Mary's hasn't won a Catholic crown in nearly a decade. Power play, Damian Tenuta with a great pass to the tape of Mario Domingo, but somehow CC Junior goalie Spencer Wright saw it and sucked it up. Under a minute in the period now, Taylor Bomarito with the steal, and all alone, he missed the net. We were still tied at zeros going into the third. Catholic Central swarming around the net in the final period. Fat rebound opportunity for Dylan Jones. No! Andrew Lane with the chance. Cormos coming up massive again. The senior had 25 saves. Later, man advantage for CC with 10 minutes to go. Junior Mitchell Osowski skies one top shelf. His 11th of the season. 1-zip Shamrocks. Orchard Lake not going away. Wright stopped 29 in the contest, but none bigger than right here. Late in the game, Dakota Ulmer on the doorstep. Snared by Wright, and you can call this over. Detroit Catholic Central wins 1-0, 4th straight shutout, and 2nd Catholic League title in the last 3 years. These teams could do it again at next week's region.